Right, so what we've got here is a Hoover Nextra HNL6166, and obviously that means that it's a 6 kilo 1600 spin washing machine. Right, and you can see the state of how sorry it is. Look, that's yellowed. Right, and I figured out why that's that. It's because the washing machine is attached to one of those self-tapping screw ones, and then when I've attached the new hot point WMA 58 replacement, I found that there's actually a hot and cold that aren't tapped, that aren't self-tapping screws. So it turns out there's plumbing for a dishwasher and a washing machine there. But because of the hose length that I had, there was only like a 1 metre one. And then the one that came with the WMA 58, 2 of the seals went missing in the cold one. So I managed to attach the hot one to the actual main hot, but I couldn't attach the cold to the cold. That's why that's that, and she does use DAS. Right, I took the top off, took the back off. It's tripping the RCD, but the first thing it did when it first did it was it actually drew through too much power, and my initial thought was the heater. Maybe something's leaked on the heater. I wouldn't be surprised, because when I picked this up, what I didn't realise and didn't know about, and she didn't really quite know, is that yep, the drum bearings are gone. Jesus. I'm gonna keep that. That's a little Lego helmet that I thought was to mine anyway. The door seal's not in a bad condition actually. Right, now the reason why I'm doing this video is just simply test it, because what I've done, and I've investigated the heater. Right, the heater's giving the correct resistance, but what it's also doing is there's a connection between earth, the terminals and earth, which kind of suggests that the power it's leaked, and therefore making everything else live, but it also automatically trips out, doesn't it? Right, so I've got that in my RCD tester. Obviously, I'm downstairs in the garage. The box is up there, so I can always check that as well. I've got my phone with me just in case it all goes dark on me. I've turned off my computer just in case. Right, I've unplugged the heater, so it should work. Stupid bloody plastic stuff everywhere. All I wanted to do is just switch it on. That's it. I don't want nothing else to do. See, that doesn't even click in place anymore. That much gunk in it. Why is stain blast available for the spin? Makes no frigging sense, does it? Sensitive care available for the spin. The drain. Yeah. Pump works. Ban error code. Who knows? About the mirror, does that work? Yeah, but of course. Jeepers. They're terrible bad. Look, he's unbalanced. That's dangerous. That's terribly imbalanced because of how bad it is. Why even them aren't as bad? It's been like that for about 3 years or something. So at least I found the fault anyway. Yeah, it was basically reading from terminal to earth, which it shouldn't do. There should be no connection from the terminal to earth for the heater. Fucking hell. Fuck. That was funny. Oh well. It's definitely not worth repair. This is going in the bin. But when I say in the bin, it's getting taken to the scrappers to see how much I can get for it actually. I get a couple of quid back for it. If it works out, well I think it is, it'd be about 12 or 15 quid, something like that. From weighing it in. So it's not bad. Look at it, look, it's rusting at the bottom. Oh, so that's the filter. Look at the filter. Seriously. So the motor works rather well actually, which I'm quite surprised about. Although the door's yellow, the inside of it is not. I can take the door off, take the bracket out, use the bracket somewhere. Gonna take the... Look, there's plastic stuck in the paddles. There's a coin lodged in there. Look, another 20p. Seriously, we found 20p's everywhere. We found 20p under the washing machine, in the filter, and I've just got one out. What's that? Another 20p. I'm not 40p up. Ew! Oh my god, did you hear that? I'm going to take the sump off as well, because it sounds interesting that it's going to... There's something in there. Anyway, this is for the scrapyard. I hope you enjoyed this final look at our HNL6166 before it went into the bin. I'm going to take what pellets I can salvage from it and scrap the rest. The circuit board and the front face should still work, which is more surprising actually. So I'll take the circuit board out and the front face board out all as one unit and scrap the rest. Right, hope you enjoyed this. It's been fun actually. Thanks for watching.